Good morning. Welcome to the Scrapping Bed channel. Video game. Miss Pac-Man. We got a vacuum. And a dog. And an early morning dog. Oh, that's a heavy one. Flip. There we go. Got some power cord on it. There's a few things, guys, but it looks like somebody already went through here, so we'll pick up the scraps. See you on the next one. Alright, we got something pretty good. Bear with me. Got a bench, it's all metal. And a doggy. And a dog. Well, it's not that heavy, but it's still metal. And awkward and everything else. Alright, let's get it up in there. Let's go to the scrapyard. Oh, don't hit us in the face. There we go. No back window, don't need it. Alright, it's pretty thin. I think somebody already went through here, so we'll try to see what we can get. That wasn't bad. Alright. Check this out, guys. This is a find. That's my first one. Oops. Well, maybe that'll work. The camera sticks up too much. Check this out, guys. This is cool. Look at that. You don't see those every day. That's heavy too. That's pretty cool. Alright. Alright. We got some things going on here, guys. We gotta make some room. Whoa. Big old shelf light. Oh, it's a heavy dude. Piece of pipe. Oh, shoot. Oh, man, that's heavy. Oh, that's heavy. There's a lamp. Alright. Heavy dude in there. Oh, jeez. Well. There it is. Well, there you go. We gotta make some room. We have to make some room. Somehow. Maybe. I need to get rid of these boards, put them in town. Maybe. Gosh darn it. Yeah. You'll see. Dang it. Yeah, that's maybe enough. Alright. Alright, guys. You'll see her in a second. Sorry about the sun. Check that out, guys. That's what I'm talking about. We gotta work for it, though. That's the point. That's a heavy dude. Roll it, I guess. I don't know. With glass in it? Sure, why not? Roll that dude over there. Just like so. Alright. Well, maybe. Definitely heavy. It is heavy, guys. That washer is heavy, heavy. There we go. We might be able to get it. Alright, time to get strong. There we go. We got it. Dang. Heck with it, flip it upside down. There we go. Alright. Get this one over here. Maybe. Well, man. That's what we needed, huh? That weight. Oh, I see. Yeah, it should fit there. I think. Look at that cord on that dude. That's got money in it. No clothes, it's heavy. It's a heavy dude. That's got money in it. They all got me. Alright. Roll it over there, huh? Heck yeah, guys. Yes, sir. Talking about. Let's see. Oh, we can do that. There we go. Damn. Alright. Let's figure it out. Okay, that thing's skinnier that way, I think. Well, we can always put that in that one. Maybe. You gotta put these boards up. Wish somebody could remind me. I really don't have anybody, guys. So, just me. Me and you guys, anyway. Calling something. Tailgate? There we go. Maybe. Oh, stupid boards. Again. That'll work. Stay. That's gotta come off. Maybe. There we go. Kinda. Almost done. Almost. We're not playing horseshoes and hand grenades, are we? Man. Look at that. Huh. I know, guys, sometimes it takes a while, but ouch. Dang it. How was it? We'll just put a strap on it. Alright, guys. A couple more things, some chairs. Two chairs. Yeah, I'll just put a strap on it real quick like. Heck yeah. Alright. Thought we got one right here. We do. I I'm trying to organize. I'm not super scrapper. I don't do it all the time. This was only like my 80th one. So, not like I've got 500 of these in my belt. I'll get her down eventually. It's humid. We started about 6:30 this morning, and maybe there we go. But it's been so hot, like 104, 106 degrees. Everybody's hot, all the way up to Chicago. It's just that time of year. Alright. That'll work. Kind of a tailgate, isn't it? Alright guys. See what else we can put in there. Alright guys. I gotta check that camera all the time since it messed up that one time. I don't watch your face. I don't trust it. What we got over here? Ew. No. I was gonna get that wheelbarrow. We'll get the mops. At least we get something. Wheelbarrow full of junk. See, it's everywhere, guys. It's just not that much scrap metal. But, alright. Alright, we got a few little things over here. I think. Yeah, there's a vacuum. A fan. And an umbrella. And doggy. And dog's doing their job, huh? Hi. Fan base. Well, we might have a crate of number insul or low grade insulated. Hi doggies. You sick? That's all I see, guys. Umbrella. Steel. Alright. Check it out, guys. Laying in the ditch. We drove right past it. All kinds of good stuff. Sorry about the sun. It's in my eyes too. Oh, what the hell that is? Got cords on them. Another fan. I bet it works. Maybe. Cord cutter. Fuck that. What's the monitor? We'll just leave that stuff there. Alright guys. That's pretty good. Alright, let's see if it's working, guys. That is crazy. So, if you can hear me. So we're at 57.60, so maybe 700 pounds. But the people there at the scale guys were telling me that, so the non-ferrous people were taking like brass and copper and stuff and sitting to the side, and when their buddies when it came in, they'd weigh it to their ticket. And they got over $27,000. So they have closed the non-ferrous. They fired everybody for stealing. So we're going to have to find somewhere else to do our non-ferrous for a little bit. But hopefully it don't mess up too bad through here. We're just going to leave her running. That is insanity. Wow. Oh, well, I guess that's how it goes. Nobody likes a thief. I don't either. And that is a car. There is a car there, guys. I think, or a truck? A Blazer? Wow. That would be a Blazer. Alright. Hopefully don't mess up too much, but that is crazy. Is he getting it? Yeah, he's messing with it now. Man, I was wanting to get that on video. Alright. Alright guys, make sure it's still recording, hanging out with me. Clippers, we'll get the gloves. We'll get gloves. Alright. Oh, buddy, it's a hot one already. Forget my strap. Well, that's crazy. $27,000 worth of non-ferrous stolen. That cord. That's all I'm getting. I'm not messing with any more of it. Alright, baby. Oh yeah, that felt funny. I'm not worried about that, guys. Alright. Oh, think that goes. good. Good, He's trying. Alright guys, we'll see you on the ticket side. Alright, hopefully we can get you. That'll work. Good enough. Alright guys, let's see, still 6 cents a pound. We had 640 pounds, went 38 bucks, so live to see another day, a little bit more money. Let's see. So I don't know if you guys heard me while I was unloading. I know a lot of my good subscribers, they'll watch to the end, so they'll actually see it. But so the non-ferrous here is closed because, so what they were doing, they were taking like brass or copper and setting it to the side, and when their buddies came up, they'd weigh that into there and double buying stuff. And the lady that's running the big scale, the steel scale, said that they got like $27,000 that they know of. So they fired the entire non-ferrous team anyway, so their non-ferrous will be closed for a while. And we did non-ferrous today, so we're gonna have to go to another scrap yard. I might just do a little video on that, but man, just stealing from anyone, it's just not right. It's crazy. But I might do a ticket on the non-ferrous, so we have to. So if I don't, thanks for your support. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Leave me a comment, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Actually did pretty good today. Not too bad. Alright, bye.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer, no exposure, I just wanna be